So me and Sean, we were busy driving a patrol, and we were on the road, and we heard this funny sound along the road. So we jumped out and went to go and investigate. Yep. So here we were looking around and searching for where most probably it could be. I don't know if you guys can hear that funny sound coming from the bush area.
I think it's coming from this pipe.
Oh, look at this. Oh, we found the funny sound. So, and then
I think it's somewhere the pressure valve. Maybe like a release valve or something. Maybe a water main up there. Because you can see there's a vineyard right here. And there's a pump house somewhere over there at the back. It's possible that this thing could be maybe like a release valve or something. Pressure valve. Let's see what happens if I turn this. Jesus. Almost fell there. The other way. Can you hear water?
most probably
I think I just closed it. Maybe I should open it up again. Maybe this thing explodes or something. Yep.
and there the pump goes on. So yeah, this was our funny strange sound that we heard. So yeah, let's get back on the road.
On the road again.
Enjoy.